Lemon balm, also commonly known as Melissa officinalis, is not only a very easy to grow and hardy herb, but it also has amazing health benefits. In Europe, lemon balm has traditionally been used to relieve stress, reduce anxiety, and for insomnia. Its relaxing properties can also help ease tension headaches. Even though it's a relaxant, it improves cognitive function such as concentration and memory. So it's perfect before a stressful exam, public performance, or an important interview, as it'll help you stay calm and focused. Additionally, lemon balm contains rosmarinic acid, which has been confirmed by several studies to be beneficial in various serious diseases, including cancer, diabetes, inflammatory disorders, neurodegenerative disorders, and liver diseases. It also has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-allergic properties, and it's also cardioprotective and anti-aging. The most common use of lemon balm is in tea, by itself or with other herbs or added juice for better taste. It is advised to take 1 week off after every 3 weeks of its use, or only as needed rather than every day. In fact, you shouldn't take lemon balm for longer than 4 months at a time without a break.